slow motion, like now. Like if we're gonna switch it to slow motion. Okay, now do I do a couple letters?
Yeah.
What, are they gonna be able to hear us, man?
Shay, you can't be in our video, man. Get out of here.
Not in the video.
We have to wait for Maddie.
No, we don't. 3.
I want to crack 2. I want to crack 2.
Frick. Shay, give me a paper towel, please.
What?
It is.
It is. Because we can't just have us laughing the whole time in it. Nicole will be like, what is this?
Faster. See, I told you this was not. It's way too watered down.
That guy came on.
Marissa Del Tano, Gina Hammer, and 2 others favored Minnesota's tweet.
What did she tweet? What am I?
She tweeted,
We're supposed to beat it.
we're supposed to what?
Frick.
No, that's good enough.
No, listen, we beat it. We have to.
No.
Yes, we do. We have to.
We do not know the word.
This is a knob.
It helps us decorate with icing. Artistically.
Yeah, we can decorate with these.
That's good.
Ooh, we can make a Halloween cake.
Open it.
Whoa! I should put on my goggles.
It's so ugly. Oh my god.
Yeah, mine.
The cake is brown because of the polymer formation. That's why the cake is brown.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it does. The recipe for a great cake is all in the chemistry.
Baking soda forms carbon dioxide bubbles, which helps the cake rise.
Okay, I'll go. So the chemical reaction between eggs and the cake mix and the oil helps bind the whole batter together, and the protein from the eggs contribute to the cake rising, and the yolk. It actually helps the cake stay moist. So if you never knew that, now you do.
Yeah.
Okay, heat is applied to change a substance like cake batter into another substance, which is like
Megan, stop.
the actual cake. Woo! Whose leg is that? No, wait. I have to.
Johnston's.